just gonna have to go with this. Alright.
Now I am. I have been for approximately 5 seconds.
Yeah, my face looks really red. Man, these flowers, they're so glamorous.
Hayden and I are at Walmart. It's currently... What time is that? Say?
There's too many clocks. Oh, 11. No.
No, that says 12, but it's 11.
Okay.
Okay, so my watch is an hour fast.
I'm not.
We're waiting for Hunger Games to come out.
Yeah.
We're sitting in some flowers. We're in the ghetto. It's kind of scary.
I accidentally went to Brooklyn Park.
Yeah, Hayden
I don't know how that happened. So.
Hayden was supposed to meet me.
I'm gonna Google those directions and show you which ones I went.
Okay, well, Hayden was supposed to meet me in Maple Grove. We are in Brooklyn Park. In the ghetto. It's scary. If we don't make it out alive, Mom and Dad, I love you. would you like to say?
I'm not too concerned about this. I think we'll make it.
There's a red flashing light at the bottom of that bag.
Oh my God, that actually is really creepy. It's a bomb. It's a bomb.
It's a bomb. We're gonna blow up. Don't say that. That really scares me now.
You wanna move?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
I like these flowers.
I know. Well, let's go. We're moving.
Let's try and hedge up this.
I know, for real though. Where should we go?
Little bench. Here's a lip. Ooh,
Yeah.
a big lip.
Oh, here. Where? Rugs. Okay, we'll sit here.
Oh, I'm dying.
Okay.
Hey, there's
Where are
there's
the-
our futon.
Laundry. Skunkies. We're behind skunkies.
There's our futon. What are skunkies?
I don't know.
Oh, it helps you with your stinky stuff.
Okay.